माननीय मंत्री जी, अच्छा है 2.5 घंटे मोबाइल से बचोगे। जितनी कोशिश हो मोबाइल से बचो, ये 2.5 घंटे बच रहे हो जी, अच्छी बात है।
So while we are talking about the connectivity to the rural part of India, it's still a struggle to get broadband services to the rural part of India. So why we have tied up with Starlink and Elon Musk service, so it's still yet to start in India. And moreover, it seems to be that we are making it more expensive for our Indians, especially people who are living in the villages. Why is that so? Why can't we make it affordable? That's one part. Sir, the second part, sir, I'm sure Speaker sir will also be interested. If you look at the global map of the world, and you see, sir, when you travel in an international flight, there's one red spot where you cannot get internet service. That is over India. Sir, why is that when we are developed, when we have our own services, and our minister says, assuring that we lead the world in 6G, why is that you are banning by internet services on our areas? Just imagine the amount of commerce and business that will develop for domestic passengers as well, because we are also cut off. Sir, I traveled from Chennai to Delhi. So 2.5 hours, I'm without any internet or anything. Why is that the government of India is not making an effort to make sure that we get internet service over our country?